Hello, this is Indah Inn, just outside of Tuwau, Borneo, and I'm staying here for 2 nights, and then hopefully flying up to Kota Kinabalu and then back over to Kuala Lumpur. So I've got a twin room. That's all they had available on booking.com. So from the door you can see I've got 2 twin beds. Excellent. Lots of plugs over there, slippers, towels, some seating. Let's see what's out the window. Well, some place to put my clothes. Looks like filters for the air conditioning, which is up there. It has a TV, a water kettle, free water bottles. I think these are free. I'm gonna have to double check. And then also free noodles. These can't be free, can they? I guess they are free. That's cool. Or maybe I'll be charged when I check out. I don't know. And let's see. Okay, and then the bathroom is one of those shower toilet combos. So we have the shower part over here. We have the toilet here, the bum gun, little thing there. I only got 1 roll of toilet paper, but I do have some with me. And I actually have amenities. So it looks like I've got a toothbrush, soap, a comb. Oh man, Helen could have used this. And I've got some shower gel and shampoo. Very nice. And then just the front door here. Nothing special, but also no peephole. So that's interesting. But yeah, I'm only here for 2 nights. Hopefully, I'm a little bit sick and I'm hoping it doesn't get any worse so I can actually fly back to KL, which I would prefer to be in because this part of Borneo is kind of not rural, but like this hotel in particular is in like a business airport place, and there's not a lot of stuff around here. There's like a food market next door, but I don't know what time it closes, so I don't know. Anyway.